booth here from uleFone, the rugged phone company. Look at that. With uleFone you always get extra battery, extra ruggedness, extra thermal camera, extra walkie-talkie. This should be every company, strategy to give you more for your product. Infrared camera here at the uleFone. This model consists of infrared 200 megapixel main sensor here, right? By Samsung.
Yeah, by
Pro.
Samsung.
6.7 inch display with
Speaker.
Yes,
Super loudspeaker.
loudspeaker and 20 kilometers range for the walkie-talkie
Yeah.
function. This is do it all
Yeah.
in one device. Really nice. And prices for the consumer?
About €700, 7 to 800.
Oh, so even less than some flagship models. Really great, really great. So we can see the model here from uleFone Armor 25T Pro, and it consists of a thermal camera that's doing a pretty good job here. Let's try it. Can you touch the surface here?
Let me try. Yes.
Okay, so. Oh my God! Yes.
If you check an Amazon,
Wow. This is the test. Okay, guys, so it's completely working. Pretty manageable size phone, yes. Really nice from uleFone here. It have some waterproof rating. And
IP6A water rating.
68.
68.
IP. Yeah. Wow.
IP6A and also drop proof, dust proof.
Wow. It's got a MediaTek chip here. Yes.
Yeah, 5G smartphone,
Yes.
5G Android smartphone.
And wow, huge battery, 6,500.
6,000, but still in a slim design.
Android 14. Wow, wow.
Okay, great.
This is a super device, right? Armor 24 from uleFone here. Huge battery. It's like a charger with a phone in it. 22,000 milliamperes. Also fast charging to get this hungry battery charged very fast. And you got a 1,000 lumens flashlight here. Really get your lighting needs completely. Yes. 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 This is too bright for looking directly into it. And you also have the normal phone with it. Camping light here. Let's look at the main menu, and you have a regular phone here with the cameras, with the MediaTek processor, of course, a lot of RAM memory,
Yeah.
12 gigabytes RAMs, and the other proper things at phone, Android 14 and everything. So this was the Armor 24 from uleFone. Nice innovation here. Really brings the new features to the for the mobile phones world. Monstrous tablet here from uleFone, rugged one, yes,
Yeah.
with
This one I have in home.
oh really? 2K display and 33,000 milliampere battery. That's a powerhouse.
Monster.
Yes, and you also get this speaker,
Yeah.
so you can go camping, you can see TV, you can hear music, and you got two huge lights behind. So this is the perfect camping entertainment system,
Yeah.
and also your basic needs like light and everything, and communication, of course.
Yeah, you gotta manage.
Amazing, amazing.
You can see
Wow, wow.
very wide. Yeah, so complicated.
So if I'm going to, you know, a lonely island, this is all I need.
Yeah, Lonely Island is the perfect entertainment or
Just-
usable tool.
Just add a solar panel,
Yeah,
and this is it. You're good to go.
definitely.
Thank you. Tablet from uleFone. Really nice innovations here with IFA 2024.
Android tablet.
Of course, the basic operation, but you always get an extra
Yeah,
in your
always,
brand.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
For your